information. The boarding pass is being printed. Please wait.
Streets of Busan. Walking, going to the bus stop para sumakay ng bus number 15. Temperature check. It's -1 degree here in Busan, and it's January 2. And the time is 8 AM. It's okay? Luggage? It's okay?
No,
That one? Ano? Guys, awal yung bulky luggage.
Oh no!
Next option tayo, line 2 green going to Seongyeon. Yun guys, so nakapag-check-in na tayo sa hotel, and yung hotel malapit lang kami sa Busan Tower, 140 meters. Ito ang Busan Tower. Yan. At ano yung aming linakad? Ayan. Ayun. Dun oh. Yan. Yan yung linakad natin. Ayan ang full view ng Busan Tower. Maaraw talaga dito, pero malamig yung hangin. Okay. Tikman natin yung number 1 takeout coffee, Compose Coffee. Ang endorser nito si V. So, natin naman sweet potato bro. Parang siyang mochi. Sarap. Yan guys, yung store, Compose Coffee, and that is B. Okay. Yan. Madaming pagpipilian sa kanilang mga drinks, mga coffee, non-coffee based drinks, meron din sila mga pastries. Okay, thank you. Yan, nandito tayo ngayon sa Art Street, Underground Art Street dito sa may BIFF. At kung makikita nyo, ang dami mga paintings. Yan. Yun nga lang, wala yung mga nagtitinda. Gusto ko sanang bumili ng painting. Look at this, oh. Gaganda ng mga painting. I want to buy painting. Nasaan ang seller? Nasaan yung painter? Exhibit dito sa Art Street. Guys, so nakalibre pa tayo ng mga postcard dun sa painter ng mga paintings na to, si Lim Hyun Ju. Yan, thank you very much. Walking around BIFF Square. Yan, madami mga stalls dito. Parang style Myeongdong sa Seoul. Yan. Walang masyadong tao. Mga snowman tsaka otter. Maglakad-lakad dito pala. Walang masyadong tao, hindi crowded. Oh, kilala nyo to? Sino yan? Siyempre, kilala nyo yan. Meron na ngayong part 2 Squid Game. Ayan, meron silang pop store. Welcome back to the game. Yan, nandito tayo sa HBAF Busan. May bagong flavor kaya? May popcorn na. Garlic bread popcorn, butter squid popcorn, honey yotok. Kompleto din sila sa mga flavors: dalgona, strawberry, Boshong green tea, dark chocolate, choco churros, cheddar cheese, caramel salted, tteokbokki, hot and spicy chicken, black sugar milk tea, baked corn, garlic bread, wasabi strong, wasabi regular, honey butter. Oh, may cookie and banana, cookie and strawberry, cookies and cream, Starlight Pangpang, tiramisu, black sesame, chongyang mayo almond, carrot cake, creme brulee, coffee biscuit, mint chocolate, indomie almond, jeju matcha, lavor almond, roasted onion, hazelnut bonbon, cherries jubilee. Oh, meron nating mga iba't ibang flavor ng popcorn. Ito, caramel and cheese, french fries and ketchup, cheddar cheese popcorn, pepperoni pizza, New York cheeseburger, wasabi mayo, curry, Mexican taco. Ito pa, salted milk, mala popcorn and peanut, lover, sweet potato, baked corn. Peril oil stir-fried kimchi. Butter squid. Honey hotok. Tteokbokki. Garlic bread. Honey butter. And milk caramel. Okay. H-buff. So from BIFF Square, nandito tayo ngayon sa Lotte Mall. And makita natin dito yung aquatic show. As you can see, it is the world's tallest indoor music fountain show given by Guinness World Record. Yan. Every anong oras nagaganap yung aquatic show. It starts daw ng 11 o'clock and occurs every hour. Yan. And it may vary on occasion. Ito yung itsura niya. Wala siyang tubig. Pero ganyan yung magiging kalalabasan niya. Parang yung sa Singapore, yung vortex.